How to get Bybit account verified? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to get verified on your Bybit account. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch the Bybit application on the device. Ensure to log in and sign into the particular account. Tap profile icon at top left corner of the screen. Now at the top, you can easily see different options, that is non-VIP, main account and unverified ID. So if your ID is verified, you will see verified ID button or the option. But since our identity is not verified, so it has been the verified or unverified ID option. Simply tap on unverified ID and here you got the verify now button. Tap on verify now and the identity verification page has already been loaded on the section. So tap verify now button at the bottom of the screen and you will land on this page where you have to first insert your country or region. So tap on the location at top right corner and here you can easily type in your location and country, and then easily here you can type in or replace the country or region. After that, here are the different types of documents. You need to select any one which you want to add here and get your Bybit account verified. You can easily choose passport, driver's license, ID card, and residence permit. When you scroll down, here are some of the requirements for the ID which you need to follow and go through. Once done, you need to select the document type and tap on the confirm button. Then you need to allow Bybit to take pictures and record the videos. After a while, you need to select whether you are a resident of US or all countries except USA. Once you choose, tap the continue button. Now here you need to take a photo of the front side of your identity document by placing your document. After a while, you need to add or take a picture of the back side of your identity document as well. And once you verify or take the identity documents picture, you need to take the picture of your face as well. And once you do all of those steps, your account will be verified. So that is how we easily get Bybit account verified. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.